Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and I wanted to jump on here really quick to let you guys know that today is the last day, March 6th, to enter the raffle to have a chance to win this beautiful 1293 turbocharged, fuel-injected, drive-by-wire engine that I built originally for my Bad Wolf car here, and it is going home to one lucky winner anywhere in the world. If you haven't entered in yet, the ticket sales have remained incredibly low. We actually haven't even sold half of the available tickets, which means that your chances of winning are incredibly high as far as raffles go. If you've been waiting or holding off buying a ticket for any reason, today is the absolute last day. And then once the raffle closes this evening, the third party who is hosting this raffle for me will be selecting that winner. It's totally out of my control and totally unbiased as a result. Once that winner is selected, I'll reach out to them and give them the opportunity to choose the engine or the cash prize, and we will announce that on the channel. I really can't wait to find out who's won this, and in just less than 24 to 48 hours, we are gonna find out who is taking this engine home. So if you wanna enter in, link is in my description, get to it, and I will see you on the next episode.